Hello everyone, this is Team Hazmat, and we present How to CAD Episode 2. In today's episode, we'll be adding our wheels and drive motors, and this is what our assembly looks like. So at the end of the last episode, check that out if you haven't, we had this here, and this is where we're going to get by the end of today's episode. So, to get all of the parts required for these assemblies, I've actually made a little slideshow that'll show you exactly what we're going to need. So, what you'll need to do is you'll need to follow the very same process you followed in the last episode to download your parts. If you haven't seen that, I really recommend you check that out. It has important beginning CAD information. And you'll also learn how to build that chassis we just saw. So, we have, can I move this? Not really, okay. Anyway, we have, stay there, okay. We have our structure, U-channel. We're gonna need a 3-hole length of U-channel. We're gonna need structure and side tab pattern mounts. We're gonna need side tab pattern mount B. Also going to need structure motor mounts. Motor mounts for the GoBuilder 5202 series motors, and this is the 1206 series pattern adapter. All of this can be found at servocity.com. You're going to need the step file downloads. Again, more information in the previous video. We're also going to need, from the motion, we're going to need motors, GoBuilder 5202 series. I just put the 312 RPM one. You can pick whatever you want. They're basically the same in terms of the CAD model. You're also going to need the 1/4 inch D-bore set screw hub. That can be found in motion. Hubs, D-bore, 1/4 inch, and then set screw. You're going to need, in motion again, bearings. Flanged ball bearings, and you're going to need the one that says 1/4 inch inner diameter, 1/2 inch outer diameter, and finally you're going to need, for this slide at least, come on, you're going to need motion collars, set screw collars, and that's the 1/4 inch bore. You'll find that in that category. You're also going to need the mechanism wheel set from GoBuilder. That's in motion, wheels and tires, mechanism wheels. It's the only one there as of current. However, in the future they might have more offerings, so just make sure it's the GoBuilder kind. That's the number 3213-3606-0002. You're also going to need motion gears, bevel gears, 20 pitch steel. And that's a bevel gear, 1/4 inch bore pinion, 1/4 inch bore spur. That just means these shafts, it'll fit on a 1/4 inch shaft. You're also going to need some D shafts, so that's what I'll go through there to form the shaft. But they don't actually have a step file for that, so you're going to need to make your own. But don't worry, that's pretty simple. We can do it ourselves. So let's get started with that right now. The 1/4 inch D shaft. So we can do this. I just brought up the technical drawing on servocity.com for the part. So you can see it's a 1/4 inch circle and then a line 0.225 inches below the top of that. And this is from a different side. That just means this shape is extruded to be 3 inches long. That's exactly what we're going to make in the CAD program. So we can click here. We're going to make a new part. We're going to click OK on that one. And the first thing you need to do whenever creating a new part is you're going to make a sketch. We're going to select the center point circle on the XY plane. And then we're just going to go 0.250 inches, just like that. And now we have a 1/4 inch circle. And then we're going to align this to where it says 0.125, because that's where the circle is. I'm just going to extend that out just a little bit. We're going to click OK. Right click to get up that menu. And then click line on the top, or press L. go down here. You're going to want to type in 0.225. You can just type that right in as long as that box is blue. And drag this out to the side, 0.75 inches. And do the same going from that green dot that'll pop up. And it should be 180 degrees like that. Okay, now you're going to right click here on the circle somewhere until you can get this delete. You're going to want to delete that. Now we're going to use the 3-point arc. So we're going to go from this end to this end. That's how it works. And then we're going to extend that all the way up to there. And there we go. Now we have the 1/4 inch circle with this line cut off the bottom. Then we're also going to just have to quickly delete this line in the middle. Don't click construction. Just delete right there. And delete there. Okay, finish sketch, because that's the shape we need. Okay, now we have a sketch, right? In theory, those should be joined. And we're going to extrude that. We're going to type in 3 inches, because that's how long we want it. I'm going to click OK, click the home button, and as you can see, we now have a 3-inch long piece of shaft. That's nice. The final thing we're going to do is we're going to click Control S. We're not going. You're going to save this to the exact same place where you saved your. This is the rest of the robot. We're gonna go here. This is my CAD demo. That's what we're doing. We're going to call this our 3-inch D shaft. And then save. That'll pop up. And now we can use this to assemble the wheel assembly. Okay, everyone, I finished downloading all of the parts from servocity.com. So we could get building right now. Just a few things I want to mention. You can delete those step files once you are done with the conversion process. It'll just make your folder a lot neater. Number 2, there's a couple of things in here that you did not specifically save. Those are just a lot of the things like the wheels, the motor, and those bevel gears. They are assemblies, so they have subparts. Don't touch any of them. They're all fine exactly the way you want they are. One thing I wanted to mention is when you downloaded the Mechanism wheels, you should have noticed there were 2 step files in those. Open them both separately. The reason there are 2 is because Mechanism wheels, if you did not know, some go like the diagonal lines on them. Some of them go one way, some of them go the other way. So they just include both. I saved both, so as you can see, we have go build a Mechanism A, and then go build a Mechanism B. That's just the wheel direction. I might use either one of them interchangeably, but if you want to be very realistic about your CAD-ing process, make sure you choose the right angle direction. With that, let's get on to assembling the robot. Whoa there. Alright, so I recorded the assembly of the robot process. It took way too long, and this video was just going to end up being way too long, so I've decided to put that in episode 3 of the series. So this concludes episode 2. Episode 3 should be out relatively soon after episode 2. So episode 3 comes out after episode 2. That's how it works. So this is sort of a bit of an intermission. Let's call it that. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe to the Team Hazmat YouTube channel. It'll help us out a lot. And with that, goodbye. See you in episode 3.